Freeways have been scammed in India. First, Earwax. A guy comes up to you, pulls something out of your ear. He shows that it looks like peanut butter and he says that he can clean your ear just for $2-3. He even has a book which is full of testimonials on his work. I actually read a review that it's a scam, obviously, but it's the best way you can spend a couple of dollars to have some fun. Rickshaw driver in Delhi. If you are a beginner in India and told it to the rickshaw driver who takes you from the airport, you are already gone. This guy will call your hotel to clarify the details of the road or whatever, and get an answer that the hotel is closed or reservations have been cancelled and you have no place to go now. But luckily, he knows a good hotel nearby. They will only charge you 8,000 rupees for the night. But since now it's a big festival going on, you won't be able to find anything else. And it's the best deal for you. I read so many reviews on Booking about this scam. I was scammed the same way myself, but luckily I don't believe taxi drivers. Bike helmet. If you rent a bike for a short term in Goa, after you get it back, the bike owner will text you that the helmet has been replaced and you owe him 1,000 rupees for a better helmet he has.